kiddos, it is time for our cloud project. So we have been talking about clouds in class the last week, and now it's time for us to build our own cloud kind of project board. Okay, so this is what you're going to need. You are going to need one piece of colored paper. Now, this is a big piece of paper. Maybe you have a smaller, maybe it's a piece of paper, maybe it's red or blue or yellow, but please make sure it's colored because clouds are white. And if you put your clouds on a white piece of paper, it's not going to show up. You're not going to be able to see it. It's like, where are the clouds at? I don't see any clouds. All right, so we want to put our clouds, we're going to be gluing our clouds onto colored paper so that it shows up better and it's easier to see. All right, so you're going to need some colored paper. You're going to need a marker so that you can write. And then you're going to need glue. And then you're going to need your cotton balls. So in class last week, we worked on a journal entry where we talked about cloud types. And we drew the different types. We had cumulus, stratus, and cirrus clouds. And hopefully what you have done in your science journal is you labeled and you drew what those different clouds look like. And what we're going to do today is using our cotton balls is we are going to build and design our own clouds, our own cumulus, our own stratus, and our own cirrus clouds. So that's what we're going to be doing in class. And now I want to show you, I want to demonstrate how I was able to do this. Now let's just think about cirrus clouds and how they're really light and feathery. So what I did is I just started to tear apart my cotton ball. I just started to take apart pieces that kind of looked like the clouds. So if I was trying to get cirrus clouds, I'd want them to be really thin and maybe thin and long. So I might use like a piece of cotton like that. Now be careful though, because you only have about 7, 8, or 9 cotton balls. So we have to make sure we have enough cotton for all 3 types of clouds. So please be very careful that we're not just taking a whole cotton ball and placing it down. You can get a lot of clouds out of one cotton ball if you use them respectfully. So look, and that might be a stratus cloud because it's thicker, but it's not puffy like a cumulus cloud. All right, so you can get many pieces of cloud from one cotton ball. We just have to kind of tear it, use your fingers to kind of tear the cotton into the pieces of cloud that you want. And once you have it, you're going to remember, you're going to write the name of the cloud on your piece of paper, the cirrus, the stratus, and the cumulus, and then you're going to glue your cotton balls onto the paper. And that's it. We're going to be building our own clouds. I think this is going to be fun. I hope you enjoy it. So let's go ahead. We're just watching this video for a little explanation. I'm going to talk about it in class as well. And then we're going to get started. All right, kiddos, let's have some fun.